Today we're going through another box of Christmas lights. Boxes of Christmas lights. Going through some more boxes. We had a look at this one not long ago when I was doing the Pifco pastel lights. This is an 80s box. Poor old tree needs a bit of water. I've never seen that booklet before. Wonder if it's a catalogue of Christmas decorations that they had any. I know they did decoration boxes with lights, but we'll have a look. Set 1347. No inlay, but we have the box. An interesting box. Some shimmer lights, but this has a hard plastic cover on it. So I'm guessing this is possibly early 90s, because I believe the shimmer lights that these are from have the screw-in bulbs, but they've got the ribbed green bulb holders rather than the usual white. And some spare shades still in it from another project. £12.97. Shimmer lights were also known as planet lights back in the day, but possibly have a different part number, but nobody's come up with any pictures of them yet. We need pictures of the planet lights if anybody's got any on the box. That'd be cool. That writing's a bit small. Now even in the later set of lights they still tell you which lights you need, which spare bulbs. So yeah, interesting little box. I have no idea. Oh, hold on, I've got the other part of that box somewhere. That's around here somewhere. Now, what was interesting about this set of lights is they were on eBay listed as Ajax decoration lights, but they were actually Pifco star lights. So, no idea what happened to the original lights or where they are. This is an old set. I'll have a look in the archive and see if we've got anything in there. Empire made, so British. Very old box, not much left of it. I do have the base for it though. An alternative box for the Mazda fairy lights that we showed last week. The other one was a longer box, this one's a bit shorter, so they obviously made revisions. I'm not sure if they had, the longer boxes were display boxes that they could open and illuminate the lights, and then they had these smaller ones which just had the light in that they could ship off to customers. But it's interesting to see they have variations of the same sets even back then. This set is British made throughout. I don't get that anymore. 1906? What's that in old money? Is that 19 shillings and sixpence? No idea what that is. If somebody wants to tell us in the comments below, that'd be great. Now this one isn't Christmas lights. It's an old box of Ferrero Rocher Raffaellos, and it's just a storage box that I'm using for a couple of old fairies. There's this darling here, very old. I don't know who added the elastic band to hold her on the tree, but there she is. Seen better days, but still usable. And then there's this little dolly. I don't know if she had two of these little bangles, but yeah, she's seen some Christmases. She obviously had a little halo at one point that's long gone. I think this band is factory to keep her on the tree. This is some kind of felt. Well, I just keep them in that little box. Handy little size, keep them safe. Excuse the rain. Another box that's been appropriated was this set of pom-pom lights. Now, this is interesting. This was a set of lights I bought in the 90s, and it was from a stationery place called Partners. I paid $4.99 for them, and I have no idea why I did it, but I took all the tinsel off the pom-pom lights. Don't ask me why. It was a long time ago, but still got the box, and I used the box to store some of my foil decorations in. Love these things. They're very delicate. They're hard to find in good condition these days, and when you do find them, you pay through the nose. There's a red one, or red and silver. You can see the little trumpets start coming apart. Then I got this funky little blue one. Very 70s, very 80s. Well, here's this set of lights. It's a 90s set. I bought them brand new. I've still got the lights. They still don't have any tinsel on, but we might try and sort something out and fix them. Do some die cuts on some foil card or something down the line. But no maker on them. Doesn't say who made them. They're just nondescript, non-brand pom-pom lights. We've actually got some lights in these ones. Here's an old one. Swan, treetop with 11 pushing lights, because the other 9 are in the star. 8 points on the star and 1 in the middle. Looks like a set of tulip lights on that tree there. Ah, somebody, £4.25. That's a weird. I thought that was a Pat Test sticker for a minute. Made in Taiwan. By the looks of it, I've never had these out the box. So I'll have a little look. Ah, that's interesting. Got tulip lights. So these look like the same type of lights that Woolworths did. Wonder if they've got the cross hatch bulbs. Yeah, they're Woolworth star bulbs from the 80s. So Taiwan is obviously where they came from. But that's how your halo works. Your 8 bulbs, they sit in there. There's your little thing that goes on top of the tree for the star to plug into. You get your central one, which has a pom-pom light shade, and then the others are all tulip. No plug on these, so I can't test them, but these need a little bit of love. We'll get to them another day. But it looks like a few of these sets of lights in here are just lights in boxes that I've obviously not gotten out or sorted. A lot of them are from bulk buys that I've had for a while. This is an empty box. Interesting box. Glitter lights. Hole window for little, all these little windows, so for each light. The plastic has long since come off. That would have sat on the front there. But I think this is an 80s set with the plain classy black. I think they look good in black because it made the light stand out more. $13.51 for glitter lights. No card holder for it. What have we got? That's a sticker. It's been added on. Not peeling it off, but interesting box. Another set of decorative pushing lights, big window. Looks like these might have been pom-pom lights. The box is thick enough. So we've got Swan, made in Taiwan, so probably identical to the treetop star in a way. Paint and supplied for, ooh, £5.50. Sorry, £5.40. 80s set. Quite pricey. I can't remember the name of the set of lights, but that's a Pifco shade. That's interesting. Alternative pom-pom lights, £6.99. Little window, lights are in the box. Made in Taiwan. Study the directions on the base of the box. Porth. Seen Porth lights in the past. Diamond shades. That doesn't have bayonet fit on that one, but we'll check that when we look at them in the box. For those who won't see a set like that again, got the oversized fuse bulb. Yeah, they're bayonet fit. We'll do an episode on these lights, so we can go through them proper, light them up, because there's no plug on them. Well, that's a cool set of lights from Porth. This is a weird set of lights. Look like Pifco dual lights, but with bayonet fit. Screw in. $20 decorative lights. But not much else written on it. Ah, British Home Stores. Pretty plain Jane box. Because it comes with a plug. Jolly Roger pom-pom lights in the box. Price label's gone. Got little windows so you can see in. Pushing bulbs, do not unscrew. Now these ones are called tinsel lights, hence why I call them tinsel lights or pom-pom lights. Made in Malaysia. I've seen these pom-pom lights. Oh, I actually have a set of these pom-pom lights which are completely red, all red shades and red bulbs. And they're classed as, oh, that one's still stapled. The lid's still stapled. And they're classed as poinsettia lights. They've seen some action. Still good though. Get these out and do an episode. The elastic bands are lasting on them. That shade's just come loose off his bulb holder, but there's a nice set of pom-pom lights in the box. Not the tidiest set, but it's still boxed. And then the last one. Nothing screams 80s like the very first set of LED Christmas lights. Pifco electronic lights. Use almost anywhere. In other words, you can indoor use only, but because they're battery powered, you can put them anywhere. So this weird font with the small letters. Set of 30. Uses 2 D cells. Set number 1366. Must not be connected to the mains, but I might actually connect them to the mains with a DC adapter, as I don't know if the batteries will still be good. I know BigClive.com did a video on these. I think they are upgradable. You could put different colour bulbs in, but it kind of loses the nostalgia factor. We'll have to do a video on these. Let's see if the batteries are still good. No. Batteries are well dead. But we'll do a video on these. We'll get them going again. Those batteries are probably leaked to death by now. Batteries are still in it because it weighs a ton. But yeah, that's it for this video. I think we've got another box to go through, so I'll catch you on the next one.